Hey guys, welcome to Coding Cactus. Today we are going to go for another puzzle solving for coding game. The puzzle's name is The Descent. So basically, let's talk about the goal here. To destroy the mountains before your starship collides with one of them. For that, shoot the highest mountain on your path. So there are some rules here. At the start of each game turn, you are given the height of 8 mountains from left to right. By the end of game turn, you must fire on the highest mountain by outputting its index from 0 to 7. Now, firing on the mountain will destroy part of it, reducing its height. Your ship descends after each pass. The victory condition is you'll win if you destroy every mountain, and the lose conditions is either your ship crashes into a mountain or you provide incorrect output or your program times out. So you also have to see the time as well. Yeah. So within an infinite, let's talk about the game inputs. Within an infinite loop, read the heights of mountains from the standard input and print standard output, the index of the mountain to shoot. So there are basically 8 lines, one integer, mountain h per line. Each represents the height of one mountain given in the order of their index from 0 to 7. Output for one game turn. So a single turn will have a single line with one integer for the index of which mountain to shoot. So for basically this mountain h runs in a for loop from 0 to 7 basically. So you get 8 mountain heights over here. This will be the mountain heights, and what we have to do is in the console log we have to each time give the index of the highest mountain that has to be fired up. Wait, now while doing this, so basically what we'll do is first we need a variable to get, let's say, the highest mountain which we have to shoot, or let's say highest mountain height. Basically let's set it to 0 first, and we'll also have a variable the index for the highest mountain. So let's write this as highest mountain index. Let's initialize it as 0. Now basically we'll have all this mountains, we'll be getting mountains from here, and then we have to get the highest mountain, and based on that we have to get the index, and this index we have to pass over here, right? So basically let's pass this highest mountain index over here. Right. Now in this for loop we'll have to make a change. Instead of a const, let's use a let variable, right? And let's use an if condition. What we'll do is we'll check highest mountain height, right? So if highest mountain height is less than mountain h, right, then we will put the highest mountain height as mountain h. Right. So basically what we'll do is, for example, let's say the first value that we get from mount h is around 8, which we think is the highest, right? And the next one comes as 7. So we don't want to update this one. We want to keep this as the highest one. That should be 8. So if it is 87654, then the 8 would be the highest. So we're keeping this variable whenever the condition of sorry, the highest mountain height is less than the actual mountain height that we are getting, every mountain height. And we'll also have the highest mountain index, which will be equal to, so here we'll get the index from. Now if we want to see if it is performing well, right? So we have a loop over here. In this for loop, let's do a console error, and here we could see the highest mountain height highest mountain index and the current mountain as well. Okay. So let's test this for now and let's see the console log. Okay, so basically if we go over here and see the highest mountain height was 0 because we have initialized it as 0. The highest mountain index was 0. At 0 the height that we got was also 0. So we'll just skip this 3. Let's go and check this one. On the index, okay, so it's running a lot of time. Right. So let's see the last one. The highest mountain was 7. Sorry, the index was 7 and the mountain height was 2. Rest all were zeros, right? So we have been able to get the height as 2 and the index as 7. And that we have passed. So this is passed our test. So let's remove this console error and let us check again for the next test. Yeah, so this is also passed. If we just want to see the test case working, let's come back and do console error here. Let's check again and let's see. Okay, now if we see the highest mountain index, it's dating blue so far. I guess it's not. Okay, so what the height we had received was 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, right? So basically, height 2 was given at index 6. So at index 6, you're getting this. So let's just comment it out and let's play all test cases here. And let's see if they work. So first one is working, second one is working, third one is working, fourth one is working, fifth one is working. Okay. So we have been successfully getting, we have passed this one and let's submit this. So we got a 100% score over here and that's all for this. We have successfully done this. If you need any help, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to help you out.